Yes, 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 yes. Mm-hmm. This is Frostal Kalen here. Mm-hmm. Now, I keep wondering. Mm-hmm. I keep wondering. When will Kenyan music industry get united like the SA and the Nigeria and the Jamaican music industry? Although they have beef with each other, but the kind of music they do, you will respect them. Actually, these beefs makes them a little bit high. If you look at the Vybz Kartel Alkaline beef, that beef has made them gain a lot of world recognition by far. And my advice to Kenyan artists, kindly let's push each other. Even if you are an enemy of that person, kindly just push that person. Push him. Even if you can support him, kindly support him. Kindly support him. Yes. Kindly support him. That's why me, as Frostal Kaline, I have dedicated this my YouTube channel to promoting Kenyan talents. So anyone who wants me to be in their song, just DM me or leave a message, leave a comment or anything, or leave a comment on how I can reach you. Yes, meanwhile subscribe.